So I know, make sure everyone's really listening to the O vowel and think of the O vowel, feel it in your mouth, in your throat before you sing it. Okay?
I mean, we all definitely know when we're on, and we definitely know when we're off too. So when we can all feel that kind of synergy where we feel like everything's in tune, everything's coming together well, and we're really communicating the message to the audience that we want to convey, it's really a really gratifying feeling, and there's nothing I really enjoy more than performing with them.
Just hearing the music and kind of processing everything helped me learn more about myself, as well as like it gave me an idea of, you know, if I truly wanted to be a musician or not. It was life-changing.
There's nothing more profound, nothing that can touch my heart like hearing my musical ideas, these abstract symbols that I've put onto paper, taken into somebody's heart and then given voice.
It was cool to be sort of part of a stamp of history on UW-Whitewater, something that most people probably won't get the chance to do in their lifetime.
And I thought that it fit the spirit of growth, celebrating the continuance of hope. And I hope the message of this work continues to inspire and continues to apply to those journeys that are to come.